Today's lesson is about the commonly used word kailangan. Kailangan. Kailangan has two equivalent words in English, need and must. But you should also know that the phrase have to also means kailangan in Tagalog. Just like in English, kailangan is used to express obligation, responsibility, or necessity. Let's now have a look at sentences with the word need. Kailangan ko ang payo mo. Kailangan ko ang payo mo. Meaning, I need your advice. I need your advice. Ito ang kailangan ko. Ito ang kailangan ko. This is what I need. This is what I need. Anong kailangan mo? Anong kailangan mo? What do you need? What do you need? May kailangan ka ba? May kailangan ka ba? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Kailangan mo ba ng tulong? Kailangan mo ba ng tulong? Do you need help? Do you need help? You may replace the underlined word with another noun. For example, lapis, which means pencil. Kailangan mo ba ng lapis? Do you need a pencil? Kailangan natin ng mas maraming manggagawa. Kailangan natin ng mas maraming manggagawa. We need more workers. We need more workers. Kailangan ko ng trabaho. Kailangan ko ng trabaho. I need a job. I need a job. To form a negative sentence, simply add hindi before kailangan. Hindi kailangan, meaning not necessary or not needed. Hindi kailangan. Hindi ko kailangan ng pera ngayon. Hindi ko kailangan ng pera ngayon. I don't need money right now. I don't need money right now. Kailangan ko ng kausap. Kailangan ko ng kausap. I need someone to talk to. I need someone to talk to. Kailangan ni Melba ng papel. Kailangan ni Melba ng papel. Melba needs some paper. Melba needs some paper. Kailangan ng kusinero ng asin at paminta. Kailangan ng kusinero ng asin at paminta. The cook needs some salt and pepper. The cook needs some salt and pepper. Kailangan mo ba ang kutsilyong ito? Kailangan mo ba ang kutsilyong to? Do you need this knife? Do you need this knife? Kailangan kong makausap kaagad si Mr. Cavill. Kailangan kong makausap kaagad si Mr. Cavill. I need to talk to Mr. Cavill immediately. I need to talk to Mr. Cavill immediately. Ang lamig. Kailangan ko ng isa pang kumot. Ang lamig. Kailangan ko ng isa pang kumot. It's cold. I need another blanket. It's cold. I need another blanket. Kailangan kong bumili ng bagong kawali. Kailangan kong bumili ng bagong kawali. I need to buy a new frying pan. I need to buy a new frying pan. Kailangan mong magpatingin sa doktor. Kailangan mong magpatingin sa doktor. You need to see a doctor. You need to see a doctor. Hindi ko kailangan yan. Hindi ko kailangan yan. I don't need it or I don't need that. Kailangan ng hangin ng mga gulong mo. Kailangan ng hangin ng mga gulong mo. Your tires need air. Your tires need air. Kailangan kong malaman kung kailan siya babalik galing sa bakasyon. Kailangan kong malaman kung kailan siya babalik galing sa bakasyon. I need to know when he's coming back from vacation. I need to know when he's coming back from vacation. Sira na ang kalan. Kailangan mong ipaayos. Sira na ang kalan. Kailangan mong ipaayos. The gas stove is broken. You need to have it repaired. The gas stove is broken. You need to have it repaired. Kailangan nating humanap ng masahista. Kailangan nating humanap ng masahista. We need to find a massage therapist. We need to find a massage therapist. Ilang kamatis ang kailangan mo? Ilang kamatis ang kailangan mo? How many tomatoes do you need? How many tomatoes do you need? Gaano karaming tubig ang kailangan mo? Gaano karaming tubig ang kailangan mo? How much water do you need? How much water do you need? Kailangan mong umuwi ng maaga. Kailangan mong umuwi ng maaga. You need to come home early. You need to come home early. Gaano kahabang tulog ang kailangan natin? Gaano kahabang tulog ang kailangan natin? How much sleep do we need? How much sleep do we need? Kailangan mong diligan ang mga halaman araw-araw. Kailangan mong diligan ang mga halaman araw-araw. You need to water the plants every day. You need to water the plants every day. Let's now study sentences with the word must. Kailangan kong magpagupit bago ang meeting ko bukas. Kailangan kong magpagupit bago ang meeting ko bukas. Meaning, I must get a haircut before my meeting tomorrow. I must get a haircut before my meeting tomorrow. Kailangan mong i-restart ang computer mo. Kailangan mong i-restart ang computer mo. You must restart your computer. You must restart your computer. Kailangan ko pang mag-aral ng husto. Kailangan ko pang mag-aral ng husto. I must study more. I must study more. Kailangan mong magsuot ng helmet kapag magbibisikleta ka. Kailangan mong magsuot ng helmet kapag magbibisikleta ka. You must wear a helmet when you ride a bike. You must wear a helmet when you ride a bike. Kailangan nating pakinggan ang lahat ng mga tagubilin. Kailangan nating pakinggan ang lahat ng mga tagubilin. We must listen to all of the instructions. We must listen to all of the instructions. The word tagubilin is rather formal, so I suggest that you use instruction to sound more natural. Kailangan nating pakinggan ang lahat ng mga instructions. Kailangan mong huminto kapag pula ang kulay ng ilaw trapiko. Kailangan mong huminto kapag pula ang kulay ng ilaw trapiko. You must stop when the traffic light is red. You must stop when the traffic light is red. Kailangan nating mag-book ng hotel para sa biyahe natin sa susunod na linggo. Kailangan nating mag-book ng hotel para sa biyahe natin sa susunod na linggo. We must book a hotel for our trip next week. We must book a hotel for our trip next week. Let's now study sentences with the phrase have to. Sa France, kailangan mong magmaneho sa kanan. Sa France, kailangan mong magmaneho sa kanan. In France, you have to drive on the right. In France, you have to drive on the right. Kailangan in our previous sentences were usually followed by pronouns like ko, mo, natin, as in, kailangan ko, meaning I need. Kailangan mo, you need, or kailangan natin, we need, etc. The sentence that we are looking at right now is followed by the verb magsuot. And since kailangan is followed by a verb, we should add the Tagalog linker G to it to connect it to the next word. Kailangan plus G equals kailangang plus the verb. Kailangang. Kailangang magsuot ni Armani ng kurbata sa trabaho. Kailangang magsuot ni Armani ng kurbata sa trabaho. Armani has to wear a tie at work. Armani has to wear a tie at work. Kailangang magbayad ni na Kayla at Julius ng upa nila tuwing Biyernes. Kailangang magbayad ni na Kayla at Julius ng upa nila tuwing Biyernes. Kayla and Julius have to pay their rent every Friday. Kayla and Julius have to pay their rent every Friday. Kailangan mong magsipilyo 3 beses sa isang araw. Kailangan mong magsipilyo 3 beses sa isang araw. You have to brush your teeth 3 times a day. You have to brush your teeth 3 times a day. Kailan mo kailangang tapusin ang report? Kailan mo kailangang tapusin ang report? When do you have to finish the report? When do you have to finish the report? Kailangan mo na bang umalis ngayon? Kailangan mo na bang umalis ngayon? Do you have to leave right now? Do you have to leave right now?